Hei hi akaswani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu si lian sang puya sum mulo wanga PM poshan noya zilano pangten hena chochun semthin khailak mai tur chu sarkarin mala in chinfeltum ani Health Minister Pilorin Puichon Mizoram chu ruihlovin arun meka sarkar ko shan chung kwale khotlang angin Mizoram aboi pha le ani ati Election Commission of India chon Vein Khan Jharkhand Assembly in than thok khana ta na hriatirna ati chuak Vice President Jagdip Dhankar chuan Mishing dingna chanvo human rights him to India ramnun lairil berlo tuani ati Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan Noya Zilano Pangtane na chachun semthin chu Kumin January Thatrang Khan sum omlo wanga har san tokin sarkar school de chon voina tringin ti to pantuma amaro chu sarkar nen in bia in thataka kalpui chun jomani hemi chungchanga hian Mizoram sarkar chuan chachuna tan bika state tumve tur cheng noi zali somret pali Sing ni sang ko chu voin khan sang sona har sana omlova samsun zom thei be se ni ti kan correspondent chuan soi
Mizoram Primary School Teachers Association MPS TLA Mizoram Middle School Teachers Association MMS TA chuan kumin hian middle school le primary school ate chachun pe na tur sumlama har sanan to thu thamasa September ni som pasari khan School Education Minister Dr. Vanal Thana ne ran thena hemi chungchang vek hi School Education Director po an soipuya chome man an don lo ba ka kuk te lo tur po thali lai batsakania wangin engtiare ingen kalpui chun som theidon an shelo an ti ani tun thani som panga khan sarkar karle in ni som pariat voin thenga thulo moman hulo chuan ti top an rel antia voin khan sarkar chuan state share an sanctiona hei hi enga man tur nge ti ngai chan mek ani vanal rota akashvani Aizawl
Mizoram sarkar noya primary school le middle school ate chachun semthin ani a kumin January Thatrang Khan tun thlengin chome man pe kan lova cook kam helper hlo po hi thali lai pe kan to lovani heti la hian sarkar chuan kumin Zirna Tankum April Thatrang Khan cook kam helper te hlo thakata cheng sangkha zanga chu cheng sang thuma ati sanga he hlo thar hi April le me tha khan pe kani a June Thatrang tu thlengin pek ani le to lo bok Voin Khan School Education Department chuan thu chho semin school sang chachun pek thinna har sanna om chungchanga fun pek chhuadan thar manani don wanga ne ti a fun pek chhuadan system thar PFMS Public Financial Management System noya State Link Scheme omle in account pathum honani a chu shan thewin Finance Department PFMS le State Treasury le Central Lama PFMS tene in khunzom vek angai wangin hemi boy pui chung hi huna he awang ani berti an soi ani an har sana to chu Central Lama po lam kalin tirin bozui ngal turin department in ma alati School Education Department chun an soya reilo te achin fel thuai be se ani anti Mizoram Literature Festival voina Aizawl kapa sunzom chu INPR Minister Dr. Vanal Thana le Sports Minister Pulang Hinglo from Martin and Man Puya Dr. Vanal Thana chuan Publishing House lian sang atanga ziak tulok tak an pungkhom chu lo momanti thu soya heng ziak tu tak telte chuan festival telte tan hlokna thatak aron thana be sei thule Mizoram tan po hlokna tam tak thlen tu ani abe sei thu asoi ani
I'm delighted to see that citizens, writers, scholars from some of the leading publishing houses such as Penguin, HarperCollins, Speaking Tiger, Bloomsbury and so on, taking part in this event. Their presence brings prestige and rich diversity for Mizoram and for the participants as well.
Minister Pulang Hinglo of Mar Point who soin Mizoram Literature Festival ziak tular local te chuan ziak tu no pangjok te ati phur nge be sei thu soya Mizoram in ziak me ne te chu Mizoram pela an thu ziak te darzel thena tura trana turina fuya sap tong le hindi thu ziak te chuan a thlen hlat le zola wangin helama trana tur hena fuibok ani Health Minister Pilorin Puichon Mizoram chu ruihlovin arun meka sarkar ko shan chung ko le khotang angin Mizoram aboi pha hle ani ati Voina Aizawl Senior Conference Center Trainers Association of India Mizoram State Branch kum somrukna amhan puina het hui soya Minister chuan Mizo thalai Mizo nam mahuna mi poimo tak turte chu engma po ti theilovin ruihlo buain an buaya home le center sanga aninda ngek nguk mai ani ati Minister chuan Indiaram HIV AIDS kai tamlama sang berdin hunlo tu Mizoram ani mek ti po soim Indiaram pum pui chorol zat let som chuangin Mizoram sang zokati a MLS som ni panga omna Mizoram Legislative Forum on AIDS.com anneya how to tren khaten an du khau to ti soya HIV AIDS kai te thubrang cho thaberem naw pa zong test an paltang angin in nei tura piang test mai te tul to empty thlenga an soi to thu a soya an nakal pui lowang ti po a soi thelawani ati
Mizoram hi rui thawin a run meka sarkar kaushan khodlang le chung kwangin kan buai phana se ema kan thalai kan nam future dam takchu engma po ti theilawin rui lo buai nan buaya home le center sang sang in da nge muk meya tin HIV AIDS prevalence India rama pakhat na kan thanmi ba mai boka national average rate som jong kan sang zok tai meni
pilorin pui chuan Mizo nurse te chu chhona mati thu soin khovel mun sang sang an thoka an kalna choi moina sang sang an dong thei te chu lo mati thu soya nurse te choi moina Florence Nightingale Award mi som pruk line an dong to chu lo mati thu soi bok voina TNAI Diamond Jubilee lomna hian an member kum somriat chungnam te an choi moi ba ka Florence Nightingale Award dong tu PS man kimile Mizo nurse jinga professor masaber le omchun professor fam kimite choi moina hun manani boka TNAI Northeast Region Vice President P. Schedule Susan Teda in Heuni Manpui Ani Mizoram Sinat Mission Bot Noya Namdang in Kompuilian Masahi Sangadi Convention Voice of Tumpatum Suzani Natangin Saito La Chanan Nidona Patiani Teng Ang in Kompuhi Saito Pastor Bill Pani Saito Le Saito Timveng Pastor Bill 10 in Tentromin Saito Koshan Bek in Betsanin Pandal Sakani Palai Masa Ten Minatang Khan and Teng Tanto Voina Anol Puyan Teng Le Ani Namdang Big He Reakom Namun Big Bot Sayan Oma Puipa te Zaipol member evangelist le fellowship sang tanga kal te chu bial pani huam chunga mi mal ina semdar anni ang convention ein speaker reverend Darema Londo Aizawl mar bial ani anga thupui chandam tu isua man ani ang Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl tanga puan ani Election Commission of India chuan Vein Khan Jharkhand Assembly in than thokhatna ta na hriatina ti chuak in than thokhat 9 November ni som pathuma ne turni in assembly bill somli pathuma vote thagani ang in than chu tumte tan tun tha ni somni panga thleng nomination thelu the ani ni somni pereta endikani anga tun tha vek ni somthum thleng in nu do thena hun hon ani in than tho ni na hi thalet November ni somni ani turani November ni somthuma vote share ani ang Vice President Jagdip Dhankar chuan mishing degna chanvo Human Rights hum him chu India ram nun lai ber lua tuani ati voina New Delhi National Human Rights Commission din chamlom na he thui sein pudang kar chuam Indian Constitution chu human rights shuai to arsiani ati
discrimination in any form is challenging to core aspects of human rights. Human rights are best secured and nurtured with public response. There can be no greater custodian of human rights than the public at large. We need to stand firm when such violations occur. To respect others' human rights is a divine duty. These rights are inviolable. Preamble of our Constitution, seeking justice, liberty, equality to all citizens, is a sense of human rights. They need to have fraternal feelings for persons who have a different point of view.
He huna hian National Human Rights Commission Chairperson Vijaya Bharati Sayani le Secretary General Bharat Lal Tapoin thu an soi ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan ni chamin tun thla ni somni pani hian Russia zindon Russia hian Brazil Russia India China le South Africa BRICS Summit voice on paruk na atel dona External Affairs Ministry soidanin Prime Minister Modi hian summit karlaka hian BRICS member ram shuai tu te akom don bok ani Chanchinthar cherti topna na tang pui sum mulo wanga PM Poshan noya zilai no pangten hena chachun semthin khailak mai tur chu sarkar in mala in chinfeltum ani Health Minister Pilorin Puiza Mizoram chu ruilovina run meka sarkar ko shan chung ko le khotang angin Mizoram boy pha le ani ati Election Commission of India chon Vein Khan Jharkhand Assembly in than thokhatna ta na hriatir na ti chuak Vice President Jagdip Dhankar chuan mishing dingna chanvo human rights hum him chu India ram nun lai ril ber lo tu ani ati chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani